In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom videos in Vlc Media Player. Vlc is a versatile media player that's popular for its ability to handle almost any video format effortlessly. It also comes with some handy features, like the ability to zoom in on videos, allowing you to focus on specific parts of the screen more closely. Whether you need to catch subtle details or simply prefer a closer view, zooming in with Vlc is a straightforward process. First, let's open your video. Start Vlc Media Player and then head to the Media tab located at the top left of your screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Open File. This option will prompt you to browse your computer for the video file you want to watch. Once you've located your video, select it and click Open to start it in Vlc. With your video playing in Vlc, it's time to access the zoom function. Navigate to the Tools menu on the top navigation bar and select Effects and Filters. A new window will pop up. Here, you'll find several tabs full of options. Focus your attention on the tab that says Video Effects. Once you're in, click on the Geometry tab. This section is where you'll find the tools needed to zoom in on your video. In Geometry, look for the option labeled Interactive Zoom. This feature will allow you to zoom in on your video dynamically, showing both the panorama and the current zoom area. Be sure to check the box to activate Interactive Zoom. This will create a new split view in your video window. You'll see a smaller window that represents the full video, with a highlighted box showing your current zoom area. Now that Interactive Zoom is enabled, you can adjust the zoom level to your liking. Click and drag the corners of the highlighted box in the smaller video window to change the zoom area. If you want to move to different parts of the video, click inside the highlighted box and drag it to your desired viewing area. The main video window will update immediately to reflect these changes, allowing you to view the video more closely wherever you wish. As you watch, you might find it helpful to adjust the zoom level on the fly, depending on what part of the video you need a clear view of. This flexibility makes Vlc Zoom Feature especially useful for analyzing visual details. When finished, simply return to the Geometry tab by selecting Effects and Filters from the Tools menu once more. Uncheck Interactive Zoom to disable this function and go back to your original video perspective. And that's how you zoom videos in Vlc Media Player. By following these steps, you can easily take advantage of Vlc's interactive zoom to enhance your viewing experience. Whether for entertainment or analysis, this feature offers a closer look whenever you need it. Enjoy exploring your videos with a new perspective. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.